Okay guys, if you are in the hair and beauty industry, then this is the best remote job for you right now that is paying over 55. If you are in the hair and beauty industry right now, then this is the best opportunity for you, because this job remote that I'm about to show you right now is paying $65,000 yearly for anybody that take up this position that I'm about to show you right now. And before I get into this video, like I always say, if you're new to my channel and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the thumbs up button right now to subscribe on this channel, and make sure you like this video. Let's get it to 10,000 likes right now. And don't forget to always leave me a comment down below, whatever comment, good or bad, man. I'm right here for you, man. Just leave your comment down below this video you're watching right now. And without further ado, let's get right into this video right now. So here is the site that we're going to be getting this job from right now. You can see what I have on my front right now. It's saying inside sales manager, Southeast region, remote. This is basically just remote job. This is a job that you're just doing from the comfort of your home or wherever you choose to do this job from. This is on you, man. It's on you, man. All I'm just doing right here is to bring this opportunity to you or to any of your friends or family member, and that's why you need to share this video right now, guys. Share this video to anybody you know that is in the beauty or in the hair industry right now, because this is a sales manager position in the hair and beauty industry that is hiring and is paying way over $65,000 yearly. So look at all the details right now in my front, man. Guys, I'm not even hiding anything. I'm not trying to hide. I'm probably gonna give you the website down below. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the website link down below this video you're watching right now. So all you just gotta do is to click the link below this video you're watching right now to go to the website and go take up this job right now, because this job is filling up so fast, guys. So no time. This is a full-time job, man. This is a full-time job that all you're just going to be doing is to do it from the comfort of your home, man. So let's check out the job description right now. Then we're going to see the company info right now. So you can see the job description right now. It said, are you ready to make a real impact in the beauty industry? Bellarmine Hair is seeking a dynamic inside sales representative to play a key role in the driving our success. Reporting directly to the director of sales manager. Wow, this is a big position, man. I'm not even kidding right now. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. You will have the exciting opportunity to re-engage in active customer and build stronger relationship with our value small accounts. Your effort will directly contribute to the growth and vitality of our brand, making this a truly rewarding position. This role is focused on supporting our West region remote. While the remote is 100% remote, we ask that all interested candidates be currently living in the CST or EST time zone. So I know you know what that means, guys. I don't need to start going into that more details. Look at all of these. I'm going to drop the link to this website so you can go and read all this yourself, because I don't want this video to be too long. In fact, this video is already getting too long already for me. You can see all the benefit that you have right here. You can see this is a part of the big picture. Just that's what they're asking you to be part of right there. You can see candidate support right there. Look at all the details that let's see the company info right here, so we can get the company info, so you can go contact the company. This company is actually in LA. It's in LA. You can see the size of the company is 11 to 50 people. Industry manufacturing, year founded 2012. Website, you can see the website is so simple, guys. Look at the website. They also have a Facebook, so you can go check them out on Facebook or check them out on X. And this is their website. I'm gonna be putting their website down below this